Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward to talk about the NEET PG 2024 paper analysis. That is for the shift 1 as well as for the shift 2. I know that the paper was quite weird. It is not as a regular paper as it was before in case of NEET PG examination. So definitely I come across the reviews regarding the student that the shift 1 paper, if we talk about, it is a tough. We can say that it is in the range from moderate to difficult. 50 to 55% questions are coming under the category of moderate to difficult. Moreover, the 20 to 25% questions are that which are quite straightforward questions, and the remaining 20-25% questions are basically the tough questions. They are look like a INI CET questions, a quite tough paper for the shift 1. But yeah, this is the whole scenario, and if we compare the NEET PG 2024 paper with the previous year paper, we found that the NEET PG 2022 paper was quite easy as compared to NEET PG 2021, NEET PG 2023 paper as well as the NEET PG 2024 paper. NPE has told us this thing earlier that they want to make the shift 1 paper and shift 2 paper quite similar, and the difficulty level will be same. The paper is quite similar, and when we come across the review regarding the shift 2 paper, of NEET PG 2024, then the straightforward, it is also again considered as a category of moderate to difficult paper, because straightforward, the 100 questions goes under the category of a tough question. 30% questions are basically the one which are quite straightforward, quite textbook type, quite INI CET level type, and remaining are the conceptual based questions. Students have also said this thing that the 55 to 60% questions are quite tough in case of the shift 2 paper. So overall, if we say, the paper is quite difficult, quite tough. And if we talk about the normalization, because this pattern was there just to normalize the paper and the pattern. So in case of the normalization, we can expect only a change of 4 to 5 marks, not more than that. If we consider this, then there will be a negligible normalization. That means there is not much difference, right? So let's hope for the best and just hope for the good result, and stay tuned with my channel for more updates. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.